Just take a pencil, take a scale, pencil, eraser. Keep the file in sleeping position. Okay. See, the left side is my spiral, and just keep the file, scale in the center, and you have to draw 3 lines in the center of scale length. 1, 2, 3, one more. Okay, 4 lines we will draw of scale length and thickness in at the center. Because center mein you have to draw the lines. Now, as we all know how to write capital letters, we have been writing calligraphy artwork. So here also we will write, so our topic is summer. So we will write, we will say hello to summer. Okay. For hello, we will write H, capital H. In the first 2 lines, start from the top till the second line. Okay. It's very simple writing. H. Then you can write, again we will write capital E. Okay. What is the spelling of hello? H, E. Then we will write L, L, double L, it's double L, and O, right? Hello. Now, this is simple. We have been writing these capital letter writing. Okay, Ojas, have you started? We have written. See, we have made. Okay, we have drawn 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sleeping lines, and then in the first 2 sleeping lines, I am writing H, E, L, L, O. Hello. Okay. And then in the second 2 lines, we will write a big letter using the 3 lines. Big letter S. Because our topic is summer. So we will write big letter S. And then we will write in small letters. Okay. Lowercase. We will write in small letters. For small letter writing, you need to leave this portion. Okay, you will not write anything here in the center. We will start writing from the third line. 1, 2, 3. Right? 1, 2, 3. Third sleeping line. You will start writing summer ka spelling. What is the spelling of summer? S, U. I'm sure you all write letter U. Then double M. Simple writing we will use. Double M. 1M. M. Then we will write E. And if you want, you can write the cursive. Cursive, if you know the cursive writing R, then you can write cursive R. Or if you don't know, you can write the simple R also. You know how to write simple R? I'll show you. If you know how to write cursive wala R, then you can write cursive R. And if you don't know how to write cursive R, then you can write this simple standing line and a curve. This is also letter R. If you want, you can write this, or you can write this cursive R. Okay. So we have said hello summer. So we are welcoming summer. Summer is almost has already come. So we will do the doodling. So all of you have written summer. Hello summer. Just show me a thumbs up. Just show me a thumbs up if you have written. Yes, Adya. Okay, good. Ojas, have you written? Show me a thumbs up. Adya has written. Shaman, have you written? Yes. Go, your camera is off. Manas, your camera is off. Jasvi, Mahim, Triyama, I cannot see you. And Rianshi. Okay, no problem. This is very simple. Mahim, you have written. Hello, Summer. Yes, show me a thumbs up. This one? Okay. Mahim, this is letter R that we write in cursive. If you are able to write this, see, letter E, go up and turn and come down. You even if you're not able to write this, yes, beta. Okay. Koi nahi. It's okay. Right. Again, I'm telling you, 4 sleeping lines in the sleeping file. Okay. First 2 lines we have written hello, the big letter S, U, double M, E, R. Mahim, see, if you want, you can write this one also. If you are able, this, this R also you can write. Okay. Yes. Okay. Good. Just a minute. Just a minute. Someone is echoing. Now tell me what. Yes. Yes, beta. It is in the center. Okay, Avyuk has also joined. Okay, Avyuk, we have just hmm, just a minute. Just a minute. Okay, perfect. Very good. Very good, Tiama. So I'm see again I'm explaining it so you can follow. Avyuk and Ryanshi, we are drawing in sleeping position. 4 center sleeping lines with the help of scale. 4 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4. First 2 line may we have written HELLO, hello, and then big letter S, U, double M, E, R. Okay, we have written hello summer. So we are going to draw, yes, in the center. Okay. Yes. Yes. Good, 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 good. Okay. So let's move on. It is in the center. Avyog and Yanshi. Just need to write this writing. Okay. And as we all know, summer is. Yes, yes, Avyog, you're saying something? Okay. Now what we will do? Summer is there, then it means sun is also here, right? So we will draw a big hot sun at the left corner. Okay? See, you can take the bangle or anything round object that is around you, that is near you. Just get anything round for drawing sun. Okay? It should not be very big. It should not be very small. Okay? It should not be very big. It should not be very small. Okay. Mm-hmm. Anything you can do. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, fine. Yes, go, go, good. So we will draw one hot sun. And for drawing circle, you need to trace. Okay. Just draw a circle above letter H. Hello on the left side of hello. So all of you have drawn this circle. Manas, are you there? Because your camera is also off. I'm not able to follow you. Ojas, circle हो गया? Yes. Good, 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 good. So we have made circle. And you know what? What you are saying, Yajat? Left side, left side, left side. बेबी आपका ना वॉइस पूरा ब्रेक हो रहा है. ओके 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 जस्ट अ मिनट. यस यजत आप क्या बोल रहे हो बेटा? मम्मा इज देयर. मम्मा को बोल दो बता देंगी. एक मिनट ओजस ओजस एक मिनट. हाँ कहाँ पे? लेफ्ट में जगह नहीं है, राइट में बना लो. गुड. ओके. हाँ 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 जी हाँ जी हाँ जी बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. सन शुड बी ऑन द टॉप. ठीक है. ओजस है बोला. अब बताओ बेटा ओजस, अब आपको क्या पूछना था? हम्म. गुड गुड गुड. तो आपको वेट करना है बेटा. ठीक है. चलो. नाउ सन इज वेयरिंग अ गॉगल. Okay, the sun is wearing a goggle, and for goggle, you need to draw one sleeping line from one side to another end. You wear, okay? Okay. See, SUMMER. Okay. SUMMER, summer. Now for goggle, we will write, we will draw one sleeping line. Take a point in the center. Okay, take a point on the sleeping line, and from one end to this point you have to draw one big letter U, just like a goggle. Okay, and then another same size of semicircle like this. So sun is wearing goggles, and here you can draw sleeping lines also. Stylish. goggles Sun is wearing. Oh my God. Sun is so stylish. He's wearing such a fascinating goggles. And then it has a smile also. Oh, see, he's so happy wearing these goggles. Then we can draw one curve for the cloud. See, start from here. One curve from below, two curve, one, one, and then you can join it with a curve like this. And draw, you can draw small curves at the point where the two curves are meeting. See, जहाँ पे दो पॉइंट मिल रहे हैं वहां पे एक स्मॉल सा कर्व ड्रॉ करना है. So sun and this is the cloud. Okay, sun, and you can draw one curve, two, three, four, five curves. So you have made. You have to make the cloud, and then where the curves are joining, जहाँ पे point मिल रहा है curve का, there you have to draw small curves. Okay. In doodles we draw very simple. ओके ओके, अभी आपने समर नहीं लिखा, सिंपल राइटिंग लिखा है बेटा रियांशी. ओके, चलो कोई बात नहीं, बिकॉज वी हैव टू ड्रॉ small things, lots of things. So sun is here, where are the rays? sun की rays नहीं ड्रॉ करी. oh my god, without rays sun is not looking hot. Now it's looking hot. Yes, Ojas. Oh, Mahim. Okay. Good. Very good. So just leave some space and just go up and come back. Go up and come back. Go and come back. Go and come back. Okay, Mahi. Are you all able to do now? What? No, he is not sweating. We will sweat. These are the sun rays. Okay. He loves to give rays. So we have a beautiful sun, smart looking sun, clouds, and Rianshi, have you written? Have you made this sun, drawn sun and cloud? Yes. Yes, Mans. Okay. Good. If you are done, it's okay. Okay. If you are not able to do, then you tell me. Okay, so let's actually Rianshi is here. Then what else we have in summers? Friends? Hmm. Yes. Who is this? Rianshi, your voice is breaking, beta. Okay. So who? Okay. Just a minute. Now unmute yourself, Adya, and tell me what you were asking. Okay. Yes. Let's draw the ice cream first. Okay. So we just erase the extra line so that we get space here near letter O, or here in the center. Here we can draw one sleeping line, and upside down ice cream, and then you can erase it and just join it like this. This will show the bite. This erase the line and make a curve. This will show that someone has eaten the ice cream. And divide the ice cream. Yes. So this and this and the ice cream stick. And you know this ice cream is, if you can draw the seeds of watermelon, it will look very beautiful, and the flavor you will get here is watermelon. Okay, now one ice cream we have drawn. When it is very hot, you love to drink what? That you get from the tree, tall tree near the beach. What you get to drink? Yes, you get coconuts. You can draw coconut also for coconut drawing. Yes. Okay, you can change the flavor according to your taste. Okay. Yes, no problem in that. So next we will draw one. Here the space, we have a space now at the top. So you just draw a letter, little round letter U that is going down, and you just draw one, two, three letters. Three letter U, one big letter U that is round, and then small three letters and standing lines. No, no, no. We will draw coconut water. Yes. One standing slanting line, small. Yes. Yes. Triangle shape umbrella. Design also you can make. Okay. And small standing line. And the straw. Don't forget to draw the straw. Double the straw. Okay. And when you draw, just erase the curve line. So the watermelon, sorry, coconut water is ready to sip. Okay, 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 okay. It's up to you. You have to place the objects around the hello summer. Okay? Because doodling is drawing all the things related with the topic. Okay? Whatever comes in your mind, you can draw. You can add your own thought also. That is related with summer. Okay? So it's yes. Okay, chalo, let's move on. So when it is summer, how many of you would love to go in what? Love to do what you say, amusement park where pool is there. How many of you have gone there? Water park. Hmm? Okay, it's okay. It's okay. Today we will go to water park also. Okay. When you go in water park, the small kids like you get safety tubes, right? Have you seen the safety tubes? Small kids. Yes. So we will draw. See, first of all, here under the letter S, just draw a small circle. You can take any lid any lid here under the letter S. Okay, just take a small lid, just any lid, small lid that is round in shape, so that your shape circle become is perfect. Okay, to draw this perfect circle, we will be using one circle lid. Okay, just draw a circle. Here we will draw a face, that is U. Okay, boys will draw a boy, girls will draw a girl, right? So I am telling you, first you will draw the circle only, then draw the ears. Yes. Sorry Mahim, I could not hear you properly. फिर से बोलो बेटा. नहीं नहीं, अनम्यूट करके बोलो. Okay, okay, just a minute. Okay, okay. Just get the lid. Okay, get the circle. Okay. So the boys will draw a boy, girls will draw a girl. And here, okay, two ears you can draw. See, I'm not drawing the hair right now, only the eyes. And upside down small letter U will show the nose. Okay. Again, I'm telling you, draw the circle, draw the circle, draw the ears, two small circle for the eyes. All okay, Rianshi. Okay, okay. Rianshi, do one thing. Just leave it. Just draw a girl here. उसको मैं बाद में आपको बनवा दूंगी, ठीक है? Don't worry. Just leave it. Just draw a circle under this sun. Okay? उसको सन बांधे बना लेना रियांशी. I will tell you. अभी आप just draw a girl here. Circle, two eyes, ears, nose, and a smile. And just below this, here you have to draw one. See, one curved line or sleeping line. You need to draw it like this. Okay? Draw. Sun means यहाँ पे समर के नीचे you don't have space. Show me your drawing, Riyanshi. Just show me your drawing. ठीक है? Just show me your drawing. है तो बेटा सन समर के नीचे एस के नीचे स्पेस है. आप सन को छोड़ो अभी. ठीक है? You have enough space. Don't worry. इतना सारा स्पेस. हम्म. Just a minute. Just a minute. So you have drawn till here. Eyes, ears, nose, and mouth. All everybody has done this much. Shall I move? Okay, good. Now see, here you will draw one sleeping curve touching the chin of the boy. Okay, the sleeping curve. Here, ऐसे जाएगा, it will curve the chin and it will go like this. Okay, and then stop here at a point, stop here at a point. Ear तक जाके stop हो जाना. And then you just take one finger thickness and just go the same way. Go draw it like this. Double line. ठीक है? First curve touching the chin वन फिंगर गैप, ये थोड़ा सा मोटा भी हो सकता है. एंड देन यस यस. वो जस्ट आप दिखाओ मुझे जरा. You just show me your drawing. All of you draw this. I'm checking one by one. Okay. I'm asking you one by one. You will show when I will ask you. Now Ojas will show me. Others will wait. Okay. अभी रुको अभी आप लोग. Yes ओजस अभी दिखाओ आप अपना. आप दिखाओ ऊपर दिखाओ. लिफ्ट. आप लिफ्ट करके फाइल दिखा दो. ओजस आप लिफ्ट करके फाइल. आप फाइल लिफ्ट करके दिखा दो ना. यस 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 स्विच वाला यस. हम्म. गुड 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 वेरी गुड. ओजस जस्ट अ मिनट. जस्ट अ मिनट. ओजस आपने ईयर्स बॉय के बनाने हैं, टेडी बेयर के नहीं बनाने हैं. ठीक है वो टेडी बेयर का ईयर बन गया ऊपर. नीचे करो उसे. ओके नाउ लेट मी सी अवयोग. ओके अवयोग. वेरी गुड. ठीक है. गुड. नाउ अभी मैं वन बाय वन सबका चेक कर रही हूँ उतना. ठीक है. नाउ शो मी योर. जसवी आप दिखाओ. हाउ मच यू हैव मेड. हम्म. ओके लवली. थोड़ा सा ऊपर लिफ्ट करना बेटा. ओके. Jasvi, you need to draw the tubes, okay? Now, okay, Manas, you show me your drawing. Okay, Manas. Okay, Mahim is showing me. Okay, Mahim. Good. And where is Malik? Okay. Okay, the Mahim, where is yours? गुड वेरी गुड. आइसक्रीम आपने बहुत स्मॉल बनाई, बिग आइसक्रीम नहीं खानी है. अरे बिग ड्रॉ करनी चाहिए थी. ड्रॉ अ बिग आइसक्रीम. ओके नाउ गोगो यू शो मी योर ड्राइंग. हम्म. Okay, beautiful, lovely, good, perfect. Now, Adya, you show me your drawing. थोड़ा सा. Okay, beautiful, good, 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 good. Tiama, you show me your drawing now. Just a minute, just a minute. You have space. This side. Now we have to draw something there also. Wait, wait, wait. अभी बहुत सारी drawing बची है. Wait, wait. अभी हम यहाँ पे भी आर के पास भी ड्रॉ कर. Tiama, are you there, baby? Mm, yes. Okay. Good, good, good. ठीक है त्यामा गुड. नाउ हु इज लेफ्ट. यजत. यजत आप दिखाओ मुझे. देन आई एम. यजत शो मी योर ड्राइंग बेबी. अच्छा चलो शमन तब तक आप दिखा दो मुझे. शो मी योर्स. शमन. ओके यू हैव मेड द हेयर. गुड. गुड शमन. नाउ यजत इज हियर. ओके वेरी गुड यजत. गुड. सी हाँ रियांशी हाउ मच यू हैव ड्रॉन. अच्छा चलो शुहादा यू शो मी योर्स. शुहादा. हम्म. शो. Okay, very good. Good. Now Mahi will show me. See, doodle में ना you can draw anything you want that is related with the topic. माही आप दिखाओ बेटा. It could be small objects, big भी draw कर सकते हो. माही, are you there? Yes, Riyanshi. Show me your drawing first. Riyanshi, show me your drawing. Just hold it there. Hold it थोड़ा सा close लाना. हम्म. और थोड़ा क्लोज लाना बेटा थोड़ा. हाँ. गुड गुड गुड. वेयर इज आइसक्रीम? अच्छा. आप आप इतना स्लो क्यों ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं बेटा? आप तो सबसे सिंपल वाली ड्राइंग बना रहे हैं, तो कार्टून्स बना रहे हैं. वी आर ड्राइंग. हम्म. चलो कोई नहीं. चलो लेट्स कंप्लीट. माही आपने दिखाया नहीं बेटा मुझे. माही, आर यू देयर? ओके रियांशी. माही, आर यू देयर? चलो अच्छा, माही का हम बाद में देख लेंगे. नाउ लेट्स कंप्लीट द ड्राइंग. बॉयज विल ड्रॉ द अ बॉय. बॉय कैसे ड्रॉ करेंगे? लेट मी शो यू. बॉयज अपना सिंपल है. बॉयज को ईयर. ओजस आप अपने कान जो बॉय के हैं उसको नीचे करो बेटा. ठीक है. ये हमने बॉय बनाया. वन स्लीपिंग लाइन लाइक दिस. ओके. सिंपल बॉय. दिस इज फॉर द बॉय. दिस ड्राइंग इज फॉर द बॉय. And here we will draw girl. Girl also we will draw one sleeping line. And upside down letter V. Okay, girls. See, we're drawing it little different way. Sleeping line, upside down letter V, ऊपर जाके नीचे, and then sleeping line, and yes माही, आप बताओ दिखाओ मुझे. Okay, very good. Let's complete the girl. Okay, चलो. Good. So boys के लिए I have drawn here. Simple boy का बाल बनाना है. And for the girls, you need to draw it sleeping line, upside down letter V, ulta V, and then sleeping line. Okay, and then you just erase the circle at the top. ऊपर का circle erase कर दिया. And then you need to draw one round hair like this. Okay, that will join the first semicircle like this. And now we will complete the tube. अब बाल के पीछे से we will complete the tube. Water tube को हम complete कर रहे हैं. Okay, like this. ठीक है. Boys will also complete. जो नीचे वाला सेमी सर्कल था उसको ले जाके ऐसे राउंड बना देना है. Like this. And this you will not do anything. Okay, this is the tube, water tube, life tube that we use during in the water pool. हम्म. यस 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 बोलो बेटा. कोई बात नहीं, वहां तक आप लाइन छोड़ दो. ठीक है. जस्ट लीव इट. हम्म. आपने कितना ड्रॉ कर दिया बेटा वहां पे? जस्ट अ मिनट. इसके बगल में क्या ड्रॉ किया है आपने? बॉय के बगल में. और थोड़ा सा इधर करना, इधर साइड. नहीं, कैमरा आप थोड़ा सा. नो नो, आई एम नॉट एबल. आप एस नहीं दिख रहा मुझे. एस, हाँ. ठीक है ठीक है. ठीक है ठीक है. दो दो बॉय बना दिया ना बेटा आपने. कोई बात नहीं, चलो ठीक है. ओजस, इट्स ओके. आपने दो दो ड्रॉ कर दिया. ओके, आपने दोनों ड्रॉ कर दिया। ओके, गुड। ओके, यस। दिखाओ, शो, गो। Very good. Good, good. Now let's complete the boy or girl, whosoever you are. हाँ, दिखाओ। Show, open your camera. Yashi, your camera is not on, beta. Yanshi, camera on करो बेटा. Okay, chalo. Let's draw the legs. You know, this girl is, yes. Okay, Manas, bring it close. थोड़ा सा close लाना. Good, good, good. Very good. Now, let's complete the drawing first. Okay. Now, chote sleeping lines you have to draw at the head. Okay. Small standing lines on the head. Okay. Small, what? Standing line. Standing line, can you see? एक इधर side, one इधर side. Small standing lines and उसमें बना देना है letter U. Yes, yes, go. What? Repeat again. Hmm. Just let me complete the drawing, then you will able to see how it looks. Okay. See, one boy and girl, both of you, all of you will draw two standing lines and letter U, two standing lines and letter U, thumb. Sorry. Now we will draw the toes. How many toes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So legs are on the head, and then you will erase the line here and you will draw letter U upside down, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 for the hands. See, now you are able to see now what is the drawing about. The girl is floating with the help of this tube. She is floating in the water, and here come the water splash. Go up and come down. Water splash. Okay? Just start from a point, go and take a U-turn and come back. ठीक है ना? Take a point, go, take a U-turn and come back. What happened, Mahi? You don't want to enjoy in the water? Hmm? आई एम श्योर सबको पानी में खेलना अच्छा लगता है. Yes. So everybody is enjoying in the water in summer season. We wait for summers to go in water. Yes. That's why I have given you the tube. That's why we are using tube, so that you know swimming. Okay, that's good. So Gogo will not use tubes, but we will use tubes. Though, okay, it's okay. So this is the tube we have made, and थोड़ा सा इस लाइन को ऊपर लेके जाना, ठीक है? Like this. Now one side is complete. Sun, see, sun, water tube with the child, and then come back to this side. You know, some place near ocean, people love to do surfing also. You know what is surfing? Have you seen? Yes, it's a board. Surfing board is used for surfing. Yeah, it's yes, it's a big sport also. So we will draw if you have a space here, you just draw the sand. We are not drawing the waves. The surfing board is here on stuck on the sand. Just draw the waves. One standing line. Okay. Which line is this? Standing line. Okay. Standing line. And then from the top point, just leave some space. Okay. Take some space from this line to this point, and again leave 2 finger gap, and then take a point here and take a point here. See, we will get 3 points here. Standing line के ऊपर 1 point, इस waves के ऊपर 1 point here, 1 point here. थोड़ा सा away from the standing line, right? And then from this top line, you have to join one curve like this. And then from this point, see, it's very simple to draw the surfing board to this. It's a shape of a triangle. And then you can decorate your surfing board. One curve, then leave some space like this. This is the surfing board that is that's stuck in the sand. And if sand is here, what else you can get? You can get starfish. For drawing starfish, we will draw one starfish. Yes, in the sand, you can draw some shells also. See, you can draw one sleeping line, curves at the end of the sleeping line, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we can draw some shells that you get in sand and starfish also. For starfish, I will tell you a simple way to draw. One standing line, 2 hands and 2 legs. See? Star shape, the easiest way to draw a star. Standing line, 2 hands and 2 slanting legs. Okay? Yes. First draw this. Okay? Okay. Now, just draw one triangle upside down, upside down, upside down, upside down. Now just see, you cover these lines with letter V. I know. then you easily get the perfect 5 point star. What I have done, पहले एक स्टैंडिंग लाइन ड्रॉ करी, 2 hands ड्रॉ करे उसके. I want, yes, Gogo is showing me. Okay, perfect. Go to Gogo. And 2 legs. And फिर उसके बाद सबको ट्राइंगल से, सॉरी, लेटर V से कवर कर देना है. Okay. Yes. Just a minute. Yes, Shaman. Mm, mm, okay, good. See? Yes. You are able to draw the star. Very good. If you have a space, you can draw more starfish. You can draw shells. And if you want, you can draw more. You can draw slippers even. See? 1 letter U, 2 letter U. When in beach, you go in slippers. And in summers also we prefer to wear slippers. We don't generally wear shoes and boots and all. We simply wear slippers, right? So for slipper, just write letter U and then थोड़ा सा thick, ऊपर से थोड़ा सा broad कर देना है, मोटा बना देना. ठीक है, ऊपर से थोड़ा सा broad कर देना है. And just letter ये, you can draw the slippers. See? गूगल ड्राइंग, डूडल ड्राइंग में हम लोग पूरा समर से रिलेटेड थिंग्स. यू कैन ड्रॉ watermelon. You can draw crab here, right? No, 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 no. No shoes, भाई. शूज पहन के इस बीच में कोई नहीं जाता. No. हाँ, शूज नहीं पहना है. Yes, yes. ठीक है. एंड यू कैन ड्रॉ क्रैब. क्रैब भी ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं हम यहाँ पे. Easel one small circle. Yes, yes, Manas. Okay, very good. Where have you made drawn watermelon? Okay. Show, bring it closer, bring it closer. और पास में लेकर आओ. नहीं दिख, नहीं नहीं नहीं, छोटा ड्राइंग इतना फिर कलर नहीं हो पाएगा बेटा, थोड़ा सा बड़ा बनाओ. ऊपर साइड बनाओ आप. ड्रॉ इट नियर दिस वाटर. आइसक्रीम बनाई है ना, एंड कोकोनट वाटर बनाया हमने, यहाँ बना सकते हो. ठीक है. And draw a big watermelon so that you can color it also, right? Yes, how to draw crab. You draw a circle first, a small circle. Draw 2 big eyes, dots, and mouth. And then 2 slanting lines. Okay. And these are the sharp clutches. Right? महीन में तो ड्रॉ किया था ना वाटर एनिमल्स, अभी मुझे स्टार्टिंग में दिखाया था. ही हैज ड्रॉन. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 legs. So simple crab. Okay. Hmm. Good. You all can draw crab where you have drawn surfing board, because surfing board is on the beach, and on the beach we go in slippers, we get shells, we see starfish there, we see crabs there. तो हमने इधर पूरा बीच बना दिया. इधर है वाटर पूल. सन इज ऑन द टॉप. इधर हमारा food items. Oh my God, such a big drawing. Now you can draw. See, circle we have used for coconut water. Upside letter U, down letter U have used for ice cream. You can use a triangle cone for the watermelon, right? And watermelon seeds. What else you can draw? You can draw juice, right? All the item that we love to eat and drink in summer. See, one standing line, small triangle. Yes. Hmm. Yes. Yes. बोलो ओजस. नहीं समझ में आया बेटा क्या बोल. आईज. आईज. आईज कैसे बनाओगे? अच्छा 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 अच्छा. सी व्हाट इसमें इसमें हियर दिस. हम्म. कहाँ पे बनाना चाह रहे हो आप मुझे बताओ. अच्छा आप बना लो आइस बना लो वहां पे. See here I am drawing one sleeping line and triangle, and this is a lemonade. Here you can draw lemonade. You love to drink lemonade juice, right? So many things we have drawn in the doodle. What? Yes, you can double the straw. Yes, double the draw. Good. Thank you for reminding me. Okay. Now, is there any space left? If space is left, you can draw. Oh, okay, it's okay. Okay, fine. Chalo, you don't have a space. So can you see? Okay. Okay, if you have a space, you can draw hat. Okay. Upside down. If you have a space, like Adya, do you have a space? You were having space at the right side now. If you have a space, you can draw one upside down, two lines, and one oval shape for the hat. You can draw hat. What else you can draw? Anything. You can draw cone ice cream. Okay, if you want, you can draw hat. That is also required in summer season. Okay, so my file is done. Now see, I'm going to show you again. Sun with the goggles, lemonade. Yes, दिखाओ आप मुझे. Show me. Show me your. Okay, because you know why you have enough space, because you have drawn very small hat. You can draw a big hat. और just और थोड़ा सा ऊपर करके दिखाना. See, your ice cream is very small. Your नारियल नारियल पानी is very small, है ना? This coconut water is small. ये इन सब drawings को थोड़ा बड़ा करो. Just a minute, बेटा. Just a minute. One by one. Okay? ठीक है, ओजस. You need to draw it little bigger. एक मिनट. Okay, okay, very nice, Shuhada. Very beautiful. Done. Good. So we have, okay, so now Shaman is showing me. Yes, yes, Shaman. One by one, I will see. Okay, one by one, I will see. Shell. Yes. Let me see Shaman's first. Okay, Shaman, show it again. Okay, good, 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 good. Very good. What is this? What are you drawing here, Shaman? Okay, lovely. Yes, you can draw anything you want that is related with summer. If you have a space, you use your mind, think about your things. Think, yes, go bring it closer thoda. You want to draw shell. Chalo, do the correction with the shell. Small sleeping line. Chalo. We will do the coloring in the next class. Okay. One small line up, one curve from this side, another curve from this side. Okay, Gogo. And then you just draw. क्या चीज बेटा? Crab. Hat. Okay, okay. Just a minute. See, यहाँ पे बनी है hat. ये upside down letter U है. पहले letter U बनाना है and then उसको बंद करना है, stop करना है sleeping line से 2 times and फिर एक sleeping line को ऐसे curve करना है और ऐसे curve करना है. And go see. हम्म. Yes. एक मिनट ओजस एक मिनट बेटा, मैं गोगो को शेल बता दूं. अपसाइड. ओके. 2 lines, standing lines, एंड उसको 1 2 3 4 टाइम्स बना दो एंड बीच में स्टैंडिंग लाइंस ड्रॉ. ओके, लाइक दिस. ओके गोगो. हाँ गो. ओजस आप बताओ आप मुझे. Yes, you can draw fan also. Fan. Okay, Manas. Okay. Now, let me check others also. अब you क्या आप दिखाओगे baby? Let me see. Then only you leave the class. Okay. Let me check everyone's drawing. Then you leave the class. We will do the coloring in the next class. Oh wow, so many things. I think he got disconnected. Okay. Now, Jasweet, show me your drawing. So doodle art we have done today. Simple, easy drawings. Okay, Mahim is showing me. Chalo, let's see Mahim. Okay, okay, okay. Just a minute, one by one, one by one. Yeah. Okay, okay. Just give me 1 minute, just okay. Let me check Mahim's, then I will see yours. Okay, चलो Mahim मौलिक का भी दिखा रहे हैं and अपना भी ना. ये किसका है? अच्छा, म्यूट पे हो आप. थोड़ा क्लोज करके दिखाना मुझे. Okay, Jasvi, now you show me. Jasvi, Jasvi, कैन यू हियर मी? आप म्यूट मत अनम्यूट मत करना बेटा, क्योंकि आपका ना फिर मेरा इको हो रहा है. ओके ओके बस. बस आप मुझे दिखा दो. आई विल चेक इट एंड आई विल टेल यू. Oh wow, so many things. Lovely. Very nice. Beautiful. Yes, Mahim. Okay, bye, Manas. अच्छा, just a minute, who was saying bye? अच्छा, मानस इज शोइंग मी. ओके मानस, कलरिंग अभी हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में करेंगे. ओके, अभी डोंट स्टार्ट कलरिंग. ओके. बिकॉज हमारा डूडल आर्ट है ना, तो हम इसको दूसरे तरह से कलर करेंगे. आई विल टेल यू. डू नॉट कलर इन दिस. ओके बाय दो. बाय जसवी बाय. एक मिनट. ओके बाय शमन. हम्म, एक मिनट आद्या, रुकना बेटा. माई अपना कैमरा ऑन ऑफ करके फिर से एक बार करना. वेरी गुड आद्या. गुड. हाँ यजत, आप दिखाओ मुझे. ओके यजत. ओके. कलरिंग हम बाद में करेंगे. ओके. यस, ड्राइंग इज गुड, वेरी गुड. वी विल डू कलरिंग इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास. ओके माही. हाँ माही, आप कैमरा ऑफ करके ऑन करो. ओके बाय अजत. कैमरा ऑफ करके ऑन करो माही. आपका ना मुझे. ओके. माही आप कैमरा. ओके श्यामा, आप दिखा के जाना मुझे, ठीक है. हाँ यस ओजस. आपके पास स्पेस है, आप ड्रॉ कर लो. आई विल. नहीं बेटा माही, आपका ना नहीं आ रहा है स्क्रीन. आप कैमरा ऑफ करके ऑन करो एक बार. बिकॉज आई कैन सी यू इन द स्मॉल स्क्रीन. मैं पिन कर रही हूँ तो नहीं दिख रहा है. ऑफ करके ऑन करो कैमरा माही. नो. यस शमन, वेरी नाइस. गुड. वी विल डू. नहीं बेटा. अच्छा एक काम करना, आप मुझे पिक्चर ना व्हाट्सएप कर देना, ठीक है. हम्म. ओके बेटा, बाय बाय. Now Chiyama, show me yours. Okay, bye. Yes. Yes, Chiyama. Wow, good. Very nice. Lovely. We will do the coloring in the next class. Okay. Good. Okay, bye. Yes, ओजस, आप दिखा रहे थे बेटा. बाय बाय. अच्छा ये. ओके क्या, ओ माय गॉड, इतना सारी चीज ड्रॉ कर लिया. वेरी गुड. यू गॉट द कंसेप्ट, है ना, कि हमें समर से रिलेटेड कुछ भी ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. यस, दैट इज ऑल. Google is all about, Doodle is all about. Okay, very good. And Avyu, okay, bye bye. See you in the next class. Bye. Avyu, आप दिखाओगे. अच्छा, okay, bye bye.